About this item, the glass cups with lids and straws includes 4 can-shaped drinking glasses, diameter 2.6 inches, height 5.8 inches, 4 natural bamboo lids, 4 reusable glass straws and 2 cleaning brushes, 16 ounces, perfect size, very practical. You can also make your own DIY bottle to make it the most personalized gift. Premium glass cups. The drinking glasses is made of high-quality clear glass, lead-free and BPA-free, meeting food-grade material safety standards, safe and sturdy for long-term use. Thick clear glass can withstand the sudden changes in the temperature difference between -68 degrees Fahrenheit to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, making them dishwasher safe. Multi-purpose. The can-shaped glassware are perfect for any hot or cold drinks, for any occasion. The glass tumbler set are loved by homes, kitchens, breweries, cafes, bars, and restaurants. You can use it as an iced coffee cup, beer can glass, smoothie cup, boba cups, whiskey glasses, tea cup, drinking jars, aesthetic cups, vasos de vidrio. Exquisite gift. These cute glass cups with lid and straw are sophisticated and fashionable. The glass cup is a perfect gift for your friends and family for any holiday such as birthday, housewarming, anniversary, graduation, wedding, camping, bachelor party, coffee bar.